In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your email signature in Lemlist. First, you'll want to navigate over to the Lemlist dashboard. This is where you can manage your campaigns, lists, and of course your account settings. Once you're at the dashboard, let's move on to locating your profile. It's situated in the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking here will reveal a variety of options related to your account settings. Next, select Settings to access the more detailed configuration options for your account. This is where you have the opportunity to tailor many functionalities, including your email signature. Once you're inside the settings section, head on over to the sending settings area. This section controls everything related to emails, such as your email provider, tracking options, and more. Importantly, it also houses the settings for your email signature, which is what we're here to configure. After selecting Sending Settings, the next step is to click on Email. This subsection focuses specifically on the parameters of your email and how it's presented to recipients. It's a crucial step because a well-crafted email signature adds a professional touch to your communications and helps identify your branding. Within the Email section, you're going to find Email Signature. Clicking on this will bring up the area where you can input and customize your signature. Crafting a signature involves including relevant details about yourself or your business, such as your name, title, contact information, and perhaps even a logo. It acts like a digital business card at the end of each email you send. Go ahead and add your email signature in the space provided. You might want to consider elements like font choice, color, and the inclusion of any social media links. These elements collectively contribute to a signature that not only looks professional, but is also informative and reflects your brand's identity. The great thing about Lemlist is that your email signature settings are automatically saved once you're done, so no worries about losing your latest modifications. Now, every time you send an email through Lemlist, your updated email signature will automatically be included, giving your communications that polished and consistent look. That wraps up the process. Setting up an email signature in Lemlist is a simple yet effective way to enhance your emails. Remember, your email signature is one of your best tools for making a great impression and leaving a lasting impact. Feel free to revisit and update your signature as needed, reflecting any changes in your role or company. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.